Hi, I wanted to show you how to install Flask in Python. If you are using Mac, you will go to your terminal. Let's make it big size. Okay. First, you have to install virtualenv. Sorry. So you say pip3 install virtualenv. That's the first step you are going to do. Then you create your file, your project. I mean, mkdir. Let's say Somalia. This way I can go. Oh, Somalia also exists. mkdir America. Okay. Then let's say city America. Change directory America. Then inside America, we have to create our virtualenv file folder. I mean, so you say virtualenv. Another folder going to create inside America is hello plus. Now creating virtualenv. Okay. Then we are going to say cd hello plus. Change directory hello plus. Then now we are in hello flask. We are in hello flask. Okay. Then this is the folder you are going to activate. So what we say source then activate. Now we activated, and the next step you are going to install the flask. So you say pip install flask, because the main important you should create environment. So the next step we are going to do is we open our text edit. You say new document, make plain text. Okay, I'm going to copy this code, text. Okay, this is the code you need. So you save the file, maybe up.py, saved in this code. It should be here. This is our folder. Now you open new terminal. You say you got your file, city America. So inside our folder you have that file you created, hello class. So you say open hello class. So we are going to put our file up.py, our Python file. So now we will say cd hello class. You change that. Again, you will activate. So you say source. Activate. Then we can run our flask. So you say flask run. When we run, it will give us our HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. So let's copy and open our Safari flask. So this is our link. And if you want, you can make some edit. Again, new terminal. So this is our I made this mistake. Hello class. So this is our Python file. Let's open with Sublime Text. You can edit. Say hello. So we save